Hi, I'm Brian Golden. I'm the CEO of York Wall Coverings. You may have seen that some of our employees have posted videos of themselves hanging wallpaper in their homes. An opportunity to maybe take advantage of some of the extra time at home and demonstrate how wall coverings can transform a space and how easy it is to install. So the marketing team put me up to the challenge. They know that I have a lot of great wall coverings in my home, but also that all of it's been installed by professionals. So I think they wanted to take me out of my comfort zone and see if I could have the same experience as some of the other employees of York Wall Coverings. So the room we chose was a spare bedroom that it was a nice space, but could use, something, a design element. And to make things a little simpler on myself, I chose peel and stick wallpaper. York Wall Coverings has just recently introduced a premium peel and stick wallpaper that is used from a non-woven product. So I thought it'd be a great opportunity to make my life a little easier and make it even easier. I asked my wife to help out, so it's gonna be a two-person job. So let's get started. We decided we're gonna install the Linden Flower design by Candace Olson in the space. This is part of York's new Simply Candace collection of premium peel and stick wallpaper. And so I'm also kind of excited to be one of the first people to get to use it. Selecting the product really couldn't have been any easier. We went on the York website and used a room visualizer. So I uploaded a photo of my room and then I was able to see how different products would look in the space. So we already have several different Candace traditional wallpaper designs in our home. They all look great, and I'm excited to add the Linden Flower in our guest bedroom. So with the product selection behind me, then it was time for me to figure out how to install the product. I found everything I needed at the York Wall Coverings website in the Stay Inspired section. And this includes information on how to estimate the quantity of material for the job, the tools I'm going to need, and how to do the actual installation. So the project was a huge success. I have to say, hanging the York peel and stick wallpaper was very easy, and most importantly, the space looked great. We accomplished everything we had hoped to accomplish from the project, and we actually had a little material left over, so we decided to tackle the closet in the room and add a design element there. So I would tell you that we had a lot of fun hanging the paper. I appreciate my wife stepping in to help. It really was, as a two-person job, it flowed very smoothly, but it wasn't something that you couldn't tackle on your own. So I would say, if I can do it, you can do it. And if there's any place in your home that you want to transform, I would encourage you to consider York Wall Coverings and Roommates Decor. And I hope you accept the challenge.